everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. Upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a bag review and just share some new things that I have purchased. I did go to Ulta, you all. This here Dolce and Gabbana, it's a alcohol-free perfume gel, y'all. When I tell you this here is genius, you hear me? Like, oh my gosh. So here's the packaging. Put on your arms, your neck, your chest area. Super cute, y'all. And then have this in your purse. Like, what? So like I said, it's like a clear gel. And you just rub it on like so. And here is the cute packaging. When I tell you it smells so good, they have two other scents, so it's a total of 3. But I got the Dolce, I got the blue jasmine, hence the color blue. Y'all need to go check out Ulta. And I don't know why, but I thought these were very expensive. When a lady told me like $60, I was like, put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. I was like, yeah. I don't know, because I thought this was going to be like 100 and something. I don't know why. Because I guess because it's Dolce and Gabbana. But yeah, I got a good price on that. On TikTok. Like, I've been on TikTok like crazy. And I was watching this girl. And she was saying how the shade A Long Time from MAC, it goes on like a gloss. Now, I did top it with a gloss, but it is kind of shiny, you all. I really recommend. Now, this here is sold out on the Sephora website, so that's why I had to go to Ulta to get it. So she wasn't lying when she said it's glossy, but it's like, for me, the shade I have to put on a gloss because it just looks like neutral. That's the only thing. So I do have to top it with the gloss. Shiny, like she said. So I got that. And then I had purchased some eye patches because I like wearing eye patches around the house, even though they don't really serve a purpose for me. But I just like wearing them around the house. And one of my Sephora friends were raving about this particular brand of eye patches. So I haven't used them yet, but I just wanted to share the unboxing. These were a little pricey, okay? For brightening and depuffing. And this is from that YSE brand. It's more of a mature brand. So we'll see. Okay, we will see. So they are individually packed. So you get a total of 6 pair. So like I said, we'll see. So the reason for this here video is because, for one, I have changed my bag and I am wearing this here Louis Vuitton. I forgot the name of this, you all. I'm sure if you're a Louis girl, you know, but I ended up switching out into this here bag. And the reason why is because I did purchase myself this here Louis Vuitton bandeau for my birthday. I tied around my strap. It looked cute, but I didn't take in consideration the lightness of this hair bandeau, meaning that to be really careful what's on your hands. And I don't have time to be worried about all that. So I was like, you know what? Because I did get a little stain on this hair bandeau. You really can't see it unless I point it out. Thank God. I'd say, you know what? Let me take this hair off. So the next bandeau I get, if I decide to get one, I will make sure it's dark. It's darker. Because like I said, I didn't take in consideration touching stuff and things like that. So, Fifi, I wanted to do a really quick what's in my bag video. I'm on my way to work and I wanted to share what's in my bag. So let me put y'all down. Here's the bag. So I'm going to just grab stuff out of here. So I have my gum, I have my cell phone, Chanel card case. I need to switch into my other card case. I have some poopery that I got from Dollar Tree or Dollar General. Lotion, y'all. I'm so happy I got my hands on this hair hand lotion, y'all. Because this thing right here was so hard to get. But thank God I have a Chanel SA. So yes, I have that. Toothpicks. I want to get a cuter case for these here toothpicks. This brand made by Mitchell. I like his lipsticks and stuff. He has lip kits that I really like. So yeah, this is part of one of the lip kits. This here, Amika lanyard. And my Sephora friend put a T here. So now it spells Tamika instead of Amika. She put that on there. So I was like, oh, I'm keeping it. Here I got this here Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. I think I got that as a free gift for my birthday. Body Works, you had to buy something or in order to get a free gift. So I'm like, what happened to just getting your free gift for your birthday? But anywho, I got a car air freshener because I have the car wash subscription. These sure if it's called I think it's called Cycler. I'm not sure. So don't come for me. But y'all, this hair hand lotion. Yes, honey. This here is vanilla. And then I like the little packaging. This was like $20. It wasn't that expensive. That's more like my purse lotion. Then I got this here hand sanitizer from Target because it has a little keychain on the side. I also have my Louis Vuitton pouch. Have my Ulta gift card that my friend got me. What I want. I think I'm gonna purchase that Chanel bronzer. It is like $100, so that gift card will help me purchase that. I have tissue, another air freshener for the car. This here Edam lip balm, y'all. When I tell you everybody has been going crazy over this here Edam, you don't know how many times we get people that come in looking for Edam. Lip balm I got in gratis, just a clear, and the Dior, one of the Dior lip oils. I was at Lenox not too long ago, so I didn't know inside of Neiman Marcus they have fashion file. So, my lip gloss, hair clips, because I had a middle part, so I had these hair clips to like hold it down, but then I took the middle part out. I'm kind of a side part girl. A middle part wasn't bad, but I don't know. I'm just a side part type of girl. My toilet seat covers. For these here toilet seat covers, because you just don't know how many times I have to go to the bathroom, and some of the restrooms don't have these. Like, oh my gosh, y'all! Thank God for toilet seat covers. Made by Mitchell lip liner. Like I said, I had purchased one of his lip kits. So, though you all, like I said, I didn't tie no like special way or anything. I just tied a regular old bow. I probably would get on TikTok and see different ways to tie it without tying it around the strap. Because like I said, I didn't take in consideration the fact that it's light, and I just don't want that bandeau to look disgusting. So it's still cute, but I just don't want it wrapped around. I want the bandeau to look, messed up or whatever. Because the material that bandeau is made of is like, I don't know if it's silk or whatever. It's real delicate, so reason why it costs the amount that it costs. On my way to work, I don't know. I don't think I'm bringing a lunch, y'all, because I don't really have nothing to really bring. And I'm kind of burnt out of packing lunch. I don't even know. Let me see how long my lunch is today. I hope it's a half an hour. If it's an hour, I can go to Whole Foods. Got a half an hour lunch. Yes. So I can just come home and eat. Yes, I'm gonna knock these 6 hours out. Tell you, lately, I don't know what's been going on in the air or what, but woo, child, people are something else, honey. Starting to see the true colors of people, y'all. Let me just tell you. Woo, honey. I can't wait till the day I can share. Cause, woo, child, from the clients to my, and it's not all my workers. Like, let's be clear, it's not all my workers. It's not everyone. It's just particular ones. And it's just like, can you find somewhere else to work? Cause like you disturbing my fucking peace, okay? Cause I've been working for Sephora where I'm at for 4 years, going on 5 years, and I ain't have really no major issues. I mean, yeah, I had little this and that, but not like this. Like not like this. And it's just like, can you find somewhere else to work? Like, cause you disturbing my peace. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's all I can say. I just say that to say, y'all, I don't know what's going on in this air. I don't know what's wrong with people, but they need to get it together. If you need help or if you're going through a lot, please seek help. Because I'm going through a lot myself behind the scenes, but I damn sure don't bring that shit to work and I damn sure don't take it out on people. I'm sorry. Like, I get we all going through things, but there's no excuse and no rhyme or reason you should be going around mistreating people because you got things going on. Because if I was to really lay out on the table everything that's been going on behind the scenes with me and I still show up and show out, like, yeah, we're not going to even go there with that, because so many people say, well, I'm going through stuff and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I get it. Still don't mean you mistreat people. I'm sorry. You just don't. I have to still deal with clients going through what I'm going through because whatever problems I have, I leave them at the door and I walk in and show out and I'll go home and pick my problems back up and take my ass home and stay to myself. But I do not ever lash out on people or mistreat people because of the things I got going on. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. I mean, can agree to disagree, but I just don't believe in people bringing their problems to work and mistreating people. I'm sorry, I don't. Like, I don't. Oh, she's having a bad day. You can excuse. No, no. Like, we're way too grown to not be able to control our emotions and our feelings. Like, I'm almost 50 years old. I'll be 50 next year. You're not telling me you cannot control your emotions and your feelings to the point where you got to lash out on people. No way. No, because we're not going to start off this morning like that. So, on another note, y'all, I just wanted to say I'm trying to get back in the swing of things, y'all. Working every day has been kicking my butt. And with me trying to take care of my health behind the scenes because some things happened and I just had to make sure everything was everything, which it is. And I will be sharing it in an update video on what's been going on. Just trying to get back into the swing of things. So I felt like, okay, let's start off with a what's in my Louis Vuitton bag because that's how this whole YouTube thing started. So y'all enjoy y'all week, y'all month, y'all days, y'all whatever health, wealth, and everything. And with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week. Your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.